Hi, second grade families. In this session, we are going to be talking about vocabulary words and context clues and how you are able to support at home when your student is reading with you. When students are reading at school or at home, they are going to be exposed to higher academic vocabulary words within their reading. In this case, the word adapted is one of the words that came up on this particular page. Using context clues can help a student determine the meaning of the word if they don't know it already. Here in this picture, you will see that there are phrases or sentences highlighted around that word that could help that student determine the meaning of the word adapted. In this passage, those context clues are: plants, animals, and people have adapted to live in desert climates. Cacti absorb and store water. And another context clue is this phrase allows them to live without rain. Taking those context clues into consideration, you can also ask questions that can help the student get to the definition of that word. You can ask questions like, what is the desert like? Is it easy or hard to live there? And what are plants doing to survive, or what do plants do to survive in the desert? You can keep helping your student determine the meaning by telling some of the ideas that you have around this particular word. In this case, a sample statement could be, this tells me plants can live there, and it is hard to live in the desert. And this is connecting back to the sentence that has the word adapted. As you continue talking about those context clues, you can change the word adapted to a different word and see if it fits. In this case, you could tell your student, it is hard to live there, or it is hard to live in a desert. They must change to live there. You can use that word that you both came up with and check it within the reading. And you can say, plants, animals, and people have changed to live in desert climates. Does that make sense? And you would want the student to respond, yes, that makes sense. And that is helping you use those context clues around the word adapted. These strategies can be used in any text and with any vocabulary word that your student might be bumping up against when they are reading. Thank you for watching, and continue to enjoy reading at home.